Hello everyone, this is the class of physical education for class 11th, unit 8, fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. In this chapter we are discussing about the various systems which are working in our body. In the various systems which are working in our body, in that we are discussing about the muscular system today. In the muscular system, we have to know about the properties of muscles at first. As you know, there are various types of the properties of muscles. Number one, elasticity. Number two, extensibility. Number three, excitability. And number four, contractility. These are the main important the properties of the muscles. So at first we have to know about the contractility. Contractility, muscles carry out one highly specialized function that is known as the contraction. The muscular contractions mostly occur quickly and very rapidly. Actin and myosin filaments are structured to produce muscular contraction. In this picture also you have to see these are the thick myosin filament and these are the actin filaments. This is the condition of the relaxation and this is the condition of the contraction. So in that the actin filament are very closely to each other in the condition of contraction of muscles. So same like that, when we have to talk about the elasticity or the excitability of the muscles, so excitability is the property of muscle fiber, is excitability that enable the muscles to respond to any kind of stimulation. The ability of a nerve or muscle cell to react to an electric stimulus is known as muscles excitability. It means to say when any activity or work we are going to start, then on that time our muscles are ready to that work. That is the condition of the excitability of the muscles. The muscles respond to the stimulation by nerve and hormones, making it possible for the nervous system and in some muscle types the endocrinal system to regulate muscle activity. Basically it is the ability of respond the stimuli. This is the condition of excitability. Now extensibility means is known as the capability of the muscles being stretched. It means that muscles can be stretched to its normal resting length and beyond the limited degree. So it is the ability to the muscles to stretch maximally without tearing. So during the work the muscles has stress on the some particular limit without tearing. That is the situation is called the extensibility of muscles. Next one is the elasticity. It is the property of the muscles that enables to yield to passive physical stretch. Elasticity means that if muscles are extended, they shrunk back to their original resting length also. It means after the work or activity, when the muscles has stress and after the work or activity, the muscles has come back in that original or same position or normal position. So that is called the elasticity. In that picture also we have to see this is the myosin filament and this is the actin filament and these are the same situation as a relaxed muscle, because the myosin filaments are just very far away from the each other. So same like that, this is the condition of the elasticity. So as per the detail, we have to know about the properties of the muscles. Thank you.